Mumbai hosted one of its biggest design weekends of the year with AD Design Show 2025. From 21st to 23rd November, the Geo Convention Centre became a temporary hub for India's design community. Over 100 premium brands, 15 international showcases, and a steady flow of architects, creators, and design professionals navigating the halls. Among the most observed installations was the Bawa Pavilion, a considered homage to Geoffrey Bawa's tropical modernism, recreated with details that demanded pause and attention. Close by, the emerging designer zone signaled the rising momentum of fresh talent, with experiential materials and new production methods that became a consistent draw through the weekend. An appearance by Imran Khan on the final day quickly turned into one of the most captured moments of the show. Across the venue, luxury furniture, lighting, textiles, ceramics, craft-led studios reflected how rapidly India's design language is evolving and how confidently it now stands on the global stage.
Well, I feel that 2025 is truly about globalism. You know, it's really about this world that's vast, but maybe also small and coming together. And I think you really see that at the show here, you know, the importance of Indian design, Indian craftsmanship, Indian heritage. So it's local, but it's global, which I think is true of this show, but also of where design is going.
This is my third design show. From the first one to the third one now, we had two things in mind to make sure that we're including more brands in. And that's what we have done. Now this time we have 3x the number of brands we had in year one. And we wanted to bring in more up and coming brands, and both we have achieved this time. So if you see Discoveries here, which is basically our up and coming brand, we have 40 Discovery brands, and we have around 110 total brands in the curation here. And those are the things that have changed from the last 2 years.
Beyond the showcase, immersive walkthroughs, hands-on workshops, food pop-ups, and live music contributed to an atmosphere closer to a design festival. The larger takeaway, India's design landscape is not just expanding, it's entering a new phase of maturity. And the design show served as a clear evidence of that.